And you'll see that here we have our Organoid app. These are just the other apps that we have also available at the time. Going to tap open. And so this is a live field of view. So for those who might be, this is your first time seeing a CellDrop, a bit of an overview. We have the two pieces of optical grade sapphire. So we have the upper and the lower sample surfaces. When they come together, they create that chamber, much like a slide or hemocytometer. And then you'll pipette on either side of the groove. So there's one here, one there. And so I'm a lefty, so I pipette on the left side, but the right side is just as fine. So I'm just going to lightly pipette up and down my sample before pipette it. So just doing that gently. And then I'm going to pipette like usual. Get a live preview. And so you can pinch and zoom. You want to make sure that your sample and all of the cells are settled. They no longer moving. And this is also a great little QC step. See the integrity of your sample and how it's doing. Once it is fully settled, which takes normally a couple of seconds, then you're ready to tap count. You're going to get a machine learning powered count in under 20 seconds. And so this is bright field based. So it's going to take an image in the bright field channel. And then it's going to use that machine learning algorithm that we trained. You'll get the result image on the right, and then you'll have more data on the left, such as the densities. So this is also, again, pinch and zoom. So we can take a look at how well it's doing with actually selecting all of the organoids. So it's quite easy for me to see, but it might not be for you. But the organoids are outlined in blue. Dissociated objects are in yellow, and if you'd like to toggle on debris to see as well. So you see these objects are not being included in the dissociated. So any debris you don't have to worry about influencing your counts as well. So you can see how unusually shaped that is, far from irregular. See some other fun ones we have as well. Again, see how accurate all the different shapes are being very clearly outlined. Okay, so you have the option to name your sample here. You could have also named it on the count tab. And so there's also the ability to do some fine tuning. So say that you know that you will only count an object as an organoid if it is at least 50 microns in diameter. So I'm going to move there is a live gating here. So I can go to 50. You'll see here you have the ability to apply gating to results. So if I tap that, you'll also have the ability to do save settings to protocol. And now I can save these settings to a protocol, so I don't need to do this gating or any other protocol changes again. I can just recall this. So I'm going to name it the sample type. Save as. And then I'll show you when we do our second count that this is now already being plugged in and it's already been called. So some other fun things we have. So you have the option to export now, or you could export later. But just to kind of show you what that looks like, we have different data we can export. So it can be the raw PNG images, CSV, or PDF. So say I just want to export the result image for now. Then you see some of the many options we have. So USB is what I have right now, but it can also connect to internet for email, network folder, and network printer. You see on the left, we have some data such as the organoids and dissociated objects density. Then you also will get the mean diameter of your organoid and then the percent dissociated cell count. Sweet. All right, so I'm going to do the next count here. So all you need to do when you're cleaning in between counts is you're going to wipe the sample surfaces with a Kim wipe. So I'm just folding mine like so. And a firm wipe of the upper and lower sample surface. So this is made with optical grade sapphire, so you don't have to worry about breaking or scratching it. So I'm going to wipe the upper and the lower. Lower it so. Next count. And any little bits of debris that might be left behind, again, it's going to select it as a piece of debris, and it's not going to be considered into the next count.